welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video we're going to show you how to find out the VIN number of a vehicle. Of course you can look that at the lower corner of the windshield or sticker on the door, but here we're going to show you how to pull that from the ECU and display that on the instrument cluster. So what you want to do is enter the vehicle, do not start the car, do not press the brake pedal. What you want to do is press the start button once. If you have a key, you insert the key in the ignition, turn it one click. See, the instrument cluster comes on. You don't want to see all the lights on. That's position 2 on the ignition. You don't want to be there. You want to be here where just the miles are showing, the instrument cluster background lights are on. So once you get here, press the arrow on the left of the steering wheel and select trip. When you see that, the next thing that you're going to do is on the right here you have the phone, the answer button. Okay, so what you want to do is you press the phone and a second later press and hold OK. Phone, press and hold OK. And here you can see vehicle data will display, but then you want to press OK again here, then that displays the voltage in the vehicle. You want to scroll down here using these buttons, these arrows here, and then you keep scrolling until we get to the VIN number. That's chassis 204, shows the engine installed. Here we have the OM651. Keep scrolling and then you can see here the VIN number, so you can see that's the vehicle VIN number right there, and that's how you can pull that off from the ECU using the buttons on the steering wheel. That's it. Thank you for watching YOUCANIC. Bye.